SRPT, stock analysis and price predictions. Is this really a buy? Let's talk about it. I mean, ultimately, I'm the only guy in the space that's done 40,000 videos and actually documented them all. 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars have been actually spent into this. And ultimately, the one thing that I'll kind of care about the most is if there's a shift and a double break here, right? This is not me saying I'm going to straight up buy, you know, Monday, next week, it's a straight up buy. Bro, for me to buy, there must happen, like a lot of stuff must happen. And this is why I'm going to continue to keep you updated. With SRPT, I have a lot of receipts in my Discord server as well. And if you want to learn how I'm consistently generating 5 to 10K per month without indicators, you can click the first link in the description, get my free emails. But I'm not trying to fake hope no people here. I mean, yes, it's a demand zone, but it must break this in order for me to buy. And obviously it will take time. And if it starts crashing, then I'm going to keep you updated. But other than that, see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.